One robot could soon replace 5 human workers, and Elon Musk says millions are on the way. The leaks surrounding Tesla Optimus Gen 4 and Gen 5 have proven to be spot on. Tesla just wrapped up its Q3 earnings call, and once again, the spotlight landed squarely on the thrilling developments for the Optimus robot, officially confirmed by Elon Musk. Exactly as the early information hinted, Elon Musk revealed the release timeline for Optimus Gen 3, and this next generation won't be limited to just housework or factory assistance. It's being prepared to take on a wide range of brand new abilities next year ahead of its commercial rollout. Will it be a benefit or a threat to humanity? We can't say for sure, but here's what's coming soon. Right from the beginning of the earnings presentation, Musk delivered the biggest reveal. Optimus version 3 is targeted for release possibly as early as Q1 next year. And as previously leaked, Tesla's vision extends far beyond that, with ambitious production numbers for Gen 4 and Gen 5 running into the tens of millions and even 100 million units. Most people are still skeptical. Honestly, so are we, especially since Gen 3 hasn't even launched yet. Still, Optimus Gen 3 is building major anticipation due to technological leaps beyond what we've seen so far. However, it does appear Tesla is slightly behind schedule, as this version was originally expected to premiere at Tesla's major event in November before being delayed into next year. The delay seems heavily tied to the complexity of the robot's hands, which Musk openly acknowledged as one of the biggest engineering headaches. He said designing the hands and forearms is more complicated than constructing the rest of the entire robot combined. We've mentioned this before, and Musk has too. The hands alone make up a massive percentage of the total cost of the robot. If the robot sells for around $50,000, the hands may account for over half of that price. To give Optimus human-like dexterity, Tesla has to accurately recreate a structure with 5 fingers, numerous joints, realistic proportions, and artificial muscles located in the forearms. Giving a robot the ability to pick up an egg, thread a needle, or lift a weight is an enormous challenge. Another huge concern highlighted during the call is not just the tech, but the manufacturing scale. Musk emphasized that Tesla aims to produce 1 million robots per year. But there's a fundamental issue. There is no existing supply chain for humanoid robots. That means Tesla must vertically integrate on an unprecedented level, creating most of the crucial parts internally. Only a company with Tesla's industrial experience could even attempt that. Musk also floated a controversial idea: Optimus taking on roles in medical environments, even performing surgery, which sparked a heated response online. Although that hasn't happened yet and sounds like sci-fi, logically speaking, placing advanced robots in hospitals is both bold and strategically smart. As Musk pointed out, robots do not get tired and could theoretically deliver 5 times the productivity of a human worker. They can operate 24 hours a day, every day, roughly 8,760 hours a year, while humans average around 2,000. Of course, robots still require maintenance, but they don't suffer from distraction, stress, or physical fatigue like we do. In surgeries, that could translate into far better consistency and precision. Musk stressed that Optimus must be proven completely safe before entering any clinical environment. Throughout the past year, Tesla has been training Optimus 16 hours a day in Palo Alto. Its biggest advancement is autonomous learning through simulation. According to Musk, Optimus can learn tasks by watching tutorial videos, similar to how humans observe and imitate. Instead of being coded step by step like traditional robotics, Gen 3 can watch someone make a sandwich or organize a room, then practice in a simulated setting, repeatedly making improvements until the skill is polished for the real world. Thanks to this, Optimus can rapidly expand its abilities, cooking breakfast, cleaning homes, and more. Optimus Gen 3 will also feature big hardware and performance boosts, enabling faster work, smoother natural motion, and more stable movement over uneven surfaces. Although it's currently slow, Musk promised that by the time it ships, it will walk at regular human pace and rarely lose balance. It will understand voice commands as well as gestures and facial expressions. Point to a mess of dirty dishes, and the robot understands it needs to clean them. Its AI navigation system can map any home, move accurately from room to room, and avoid hazards like pets, kids, and tangled cords. But Tesla isn't alone. Competition is intensifying, with Unitree and Figure AI leading the charge. Unitree recently unveiled its H2 robot, a taller and more capable successor to the G1. Meanwhile, in the US, the biggest emerging rival is Figure AI's new Figure O3 humanoid. The Figure O3 is designed for household help and industrial jobs, a major upgrade from Figure O2, now equipped with cameras in each palm, enabling grip precision even if the main sensors are blocked. The softer fingertips allow it to handle delicate items like eggs and produce without breaking them. Figure AI's mission is to build a human-level assistant that can learn and adapt. Demo footage shows Figure 3 washing clothes, loading dishwashers, packing products, and completing delivery tasks. So Tesla must introduce a dramatic leap with Gen 3, or Figure 03 may take the lead as America's best humanoid robot. Everything shared during Tesla's Q3 earnings call isn't just an update, it's a preview of a future being shaped in real time. Tesla isn't simply creating a robot, it's developing the economic backbone for a new era, with Optimus as the centerpiece. From using its FSD AI advantage to scaling manufacturing and aiming to improve global living standards, Elon Musk's vision remains enormous. Despite immense engineering and production challenges, like mastering robotic hands and building a brand new supply chain, Tesla seems confident in delivering a human-like Gen 3 next year and preparing production for 1 million units annually. Musk sees this as unlocking a limitless economic engine. Thank you for watching all the way through. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts below. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss upcoming updates. See you soon in the next one. Goodbye.